guys, welcome back to
Moral Pearls.
Today we're doing another tutorial. Today we're going to be starting a new series of how to use Discord. The Discord is basically an online platform which you can talk, text, and call other people. It's kind of like WhatsApp, but it's much more popular and much more interesting to use. So this is going to be our first video in the series. This is going to be about how to use Discord for registration. By the end of this video, you should be a professional at registering your account for Discord.
So hey guys, this is Discord's website. This is where you register your account. It's going to be the first video, so let's get into it now. As you can see, we're in this page. You're going to go to discord.com, and you're in this page. So you're going to press discord.com, and you're going to type /register. This will allow you to register a new account. You'll be taken to this web page, and I'm going to be typing in my email. As we can see, 1 minute. Let me just get my email. This is going to be like a test email. We're not going to be using this for anything. If you guys email this email, even though you guys send messages to this email, we won't reply. So type MP test because Moral Pearls test, and password. Let's type something. As you guys can see, we're at some random password. Let me just retype that to make sure that I did it correctly. Yep. And we're going to go to date of birth. Type in the birthday of our channel. And 1999. The year was not when we were born. So it says create an account, beep boop beep beep. So we're going to press I am human. It's going to take you to. It should take you to your home page right here. So if you were redirected to this page, then you've successfully finished. So that's how you register an account to Discord. The next video is about how to add friends, servers, mods, and other kind of cool stuff. And the third video is going to be user settings, and the fourth video is going to be a complete overview of what we're going to be doing. So subscribe and also turn on your bell notifications to make sure that when we send out those videos, you guys can watch them as well. So you guys can finish creating your Discord server and completely learn about Discord.
Now you know how to create a Discord account. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, please share, please comment, and please don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.